my people, time don't reach now. We go on find the formula we will use the calculate pH of buffer solution. If they give you question say this thing na buffer solution, or abeg make you find the pH of that buffer solution, wetin you go do? So it go good make we know the formula wey we dey use dey find pH of buffer solution. And na wetin I wan do for this video. I go dey fast so that we go finish get the formula quick make we use am solve question, make we use am solve wahala wey dey dey for pH of buffer solution. But before I go start, abeg, if you never subscribe for GMAS 41, please remember to subscribe. We dey beg una make una dey support us for the good thing wey we dey do, dey take dey help una for una school. Touch that subscribe wey dey under this video side for your phone. Then remember, press that notification bell. That will be like hammer from top. Press am. You go help anytime wey we put new video, they go holler you say GMAS 41 don put new video, go check am. You fit learn something wey go help you pass exam. Na so e dey be. So abeg, my people, make we see how we dey get the pH of buffer solution. As we wan carry start am, so I go like make we remember wetin we don learn about one scientist wey dem dey call Arrhenius. That time wey we talk about am, say him tell us say acid na anything wey dey comot hydrogen ion. If I be acid now, how you carry know say I be acid? I go fit dey give out hydrogen ion. Na wetin Arrhenius talk. So we go use am write one equation. The equation wey I go write for board here na equation of a weak acid. I don call that weak acid before, they call am acetic acid. So I go write am, make we see how that acetic acid dey comot hydrogen, then we go carry see am how we go use am fit get the pH of buffer solution. So make I write, say recall means say make you remember. Recall, if I give you CH3COOH, now this one we call acetic acid or ethanoic acid. That acid, you know, is strong, na weak acid. But make you not go look for am drink. Okay, so it will give us something like this. You want comot hydrogen now, so what we go get for this side, what we call product side, now something like this. So you see am, so how you carry remove hydrogen, this hydrogen go comot am. You can't remain this part like this. So they call this part acetic ion. They call am acetic ion. If anything they react with this one now, that thing now, the metal wey dey that thing will come join for this place. Make we talk maybe na sodium hydroxide we carry dey react with this one now. Sodium go come join this place. The OH will come join this H, give us water. But not wetin we dey learn. Make we look this one now, see wetin e go give us. Now from here we go write wetin we call the ionization constant of acid. Writing ionization constant. Ionization constant Ka of the acid. Wetin this one will give us? I don't talk about Ka before. I don't talk, so you fit check our videos. Watch our videos for this GMAS 41. Look for the video, you go learn about how they carry get Ka. So for this one, the Ka formula, ionization constant of this acid, it will be the product of the concentration of wetin we give for products here. Wetin I mean by that? Allow me make I use something like this, use show concentration abeg. Why I say make you allow me be say before now like this at the right concentration of anything, I will just use C, put that thing for under and small. But I would like to use square bracket, use show concentration now. I will use this one multiply concentration of hydrogen ion wey dey this product side. Then I will come divide them by concentration of wetin dey the reactant side wey be the acid. So see am so now like this, the ionization constant of this acid will be Ka. From here now I will make hydrogen ion concentration to stand alone. So I will write am here, making hydrogen ion concentration subject of the formula. Subject of the formula. I go make am stand alone, na be the meaning of make something subject of the formula. Wetin I go do, I go use this Ka multiply this concentration of acid wey dey under here. Then as I wan make this one stand alone, I go come divide everything by the concentration of this ion. That one will come dey like this. Concentration of hydrogen ion will come dey equal to Ka, come multiply am by concentration of this acid, ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Then I will come divide am. I will come divide am by concentration of the ion wey dey on top here. That one wey dey multiply wetin I make subject of formula. So na wetin e go be. Now, I been don talk something about pH before. When we talk about pH na minus log of hydrogen ion concentration, come put am for base 10. So I go wan do something like that here. I go put minus log to base 10 for left here. I go come put am for right here. If I do am, na wetin I go get here. I go do minus log of hydrogen ion concentration, come put am base 10. It will come dey equal to minus log, come put base 10 of everything wey I get for the right here. Wetin I dey do here, I just dey multiply here by minus log base 10. Minus log base 10. Make I write am for under here. Multiply left hand side and right hand side by minus log to base 10. So na wetin I dey do so now. I go come here, I come multiply am by minus log to base 10. Wetin it will come be na minus log base 10 Ka. That Ka, remember say it dey multiply concentration of acid CH3COOH, come divide am by concentration of ion wey come out from the acid. So something like this. Check the see am abi. As I don do am so, I go remember wetin we dey learn for logarithm. Past time for our mathematics, I don teach logarithm before. Come talk wetin log dey do if you get something like this. So I go quickly apply am. This one will give me minus log hydrogen ion concentration. I'll come put am 10 for under here. Equal to this place will give me minus log Ka base 10. Then this one now go constantly multiply this one. It will be minus. Log base 10 concentration of wetin dey on top wey be the acid, come divide am by concentration of wetin dey under wey be the ion of the acid. So na like this e go be. When na from wetin we don learn from logarithm, I go quickly show you something. I go still clean am. If I give you log to base 10, come put A times B divided by C. Wetin logarithm say make we do? E go be equal to log of A. I come put plus log of B. Then I will come do minus log of C. Later I use solve this one, but I no gree separate B over C. I no wan separate am because I need am like that. It means say this one will be plus log. I come put B over C for under like this. So now that law I use here. Okay, make we dey see wetin this one will come give us now. We remember say this thing na be pH. So I go write am, recall pH dey the same like log of hydrogen ion concentration base 10. Then I also know say pKa na minus log Ka come put base 10. So I know wetin I go use replace here. Make I replace am, see wetin e go give us. I go say it implies that if I come here, I will put pH because this thing now na pH na im mean. You come dey equal to, I go come here, this one I go put pKa. pKa like this, because this minus log Ka base 10 na pKa na e mean. I'll come write minus log base 10, come put concentration of the acid wey we dey use from here, ethanoic acid, come divide am by concentration of the ion wey come out from the ethanoic acid. Now e get wetin I go do. Note, I wan do something. If I give you minus log base 10 of A, come divide am by B, this one dey the same as log base 10 B over A. You see wetin I do here, B? You see wetin I do here? If you get any number like fraction for front of logarithm, you come carry numerator come down, come carry denominator go up. The sign wey dey the back of logarithm, e go come change. If na minus, e go change to plus. If na plus, e go change to minus. I need am here. I go come conclude now. Therefore, pH dey equal to pKa. This one now I go change am to minus to plus. I go change am from minus to plus because I wan do something here. It will come be log of base 10. I go carry this one go up. Concentration of the acetic ion, I'll come divide am by concentration of ethanoic acid. As I carry denominator here go up, carry numerator come down. Now wetin make I change this minus go plus. Now if you look this thing now na salt. Because like I tell you from beginning, if to say something like sodium hydroxide dey here, the sodium go come react with this place. We go get something like sodium acetate, sodium ethanoate. You dey hear, abi? So this one dey always give us salt. And you now see say the under na acid na we get. So I go come write the formula like this. Therefore, the pH of buffer solution is you can say na pH equal to pKa plus, go come here, log, come put base 10. The top now gonna be concentration of salt. I tell you say this ion dey give us salt. Come divide am by concentration of acid. Now this one na be the pH formula. Make I call am equation alpha. I go come put star on top because that formula dey important well. Put this formula for your brain. Now wetin we dey use dey solve problem of pH of buffer solution. For the next video wey go come, we go solve question wey be say we go find pH of buffer solution.